Are you looking for ways to streamline your hospitality management processes? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for hospitality management and why it might be the tool you need to make your operations run smoother. But stay tuned, because at the end, I'll be sharing a special offer and some alternatives that could actually be a better fit for your needs. First off, Monday.com is a project management tool that can help teams track tasks, manage workloads, and automate workflows. When it comes to hospitality management, these features are gold, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks and departments like reservations, housekeeping, and guest services. But how do you actually apply it to hospitality management? The first thing you'll want to do is set up your boards. Think of each board as a department or project in your business. For instance, you could have a board for guest reservations, another for room maintenance, and a third for employee schedules. This allows you to keep everything organized in one place and track progress easily. Next thing, you'll want to start using Monday.com's customizable columns. You can set up columns for things like status, e.g., booked, checked in, checked out, priority, high, medium, low, or even task owners, who's responsible for what. This helps create clarity for everyone involved, making it easier to see at a glance what's happening with each guest or task. It's a simple but powerful way to stay on top of everything. The third thing you should take advantage of is automations. Monday.com offers automations that help save you time and reduce human error. For example, you can set up an automation to notify the housekeeping team when a guest checks out or when a reservation is made. These notifications can be sent automatically, keeping everyone in sync without you having to manually update them. The fourth thing is integrating other tools. Monday.com integrates with popular platforms like Gmail, Slack, and even payment processors. For hospitality managers, this means you can have all your systems talking to each other. You can automatically send guest emails, sync reservation systems, and keep everything in one place. No need to flip between apps. Now, while Monday.com is a solid choice for many, it does have its downsides. Some users find the interface a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to project management software. It can also be pricey for smaller teams, and the steep learning curve might require extra training. But if you're working with a large team or want extensive customization, Monday.com offers flexibility and scalability. Here's where I get to the good part. I'm sharing with you an exclusive extended free trial for Monday.com, but let's be honest, it's not always the best fit for every hospitality business. I've found that there are a few alternatives that are much better tailored to the needs of hospitality managers, especially if you're focused on streamlining guest experiences or managing large teams. These alternatives also come with their own free trials, and I'll give you access to the best ones through the link in the description. Trust me, these are worth checking out. So, if you want to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, check the link below. And remember, while Monday.com is great, sometimes the best solution might be something else. Stay tuned and give those alternatives a try. You'll thank me later.